everyone, welcome back to my Unity Open World tutorial series. So in this episode I'm going to show you how to enable and disable eye case as the character moves. So when the character moves, the eye case not working, so the animations look fine. It doesn't look like dragging foot on the ground, but only when the character is still, the IK will be active like this. So yeah, that's the part I am going to do today. Okay, so now we have our character with eye case, but when he walk, it looks fine. Wait, what happened to the eye case? I did implement it. Oh, it seems I have disabled it. Yeah, okay, I remember now. Okay, now it should work back like normal, like the last time. Okay, so yeah, this is the issue. So even when the character is walking, he kind of drags his foot along the ground. So we need to disable that. So to do that, let me open the IK script. Here, so yeah, I need to disable eye case when the character is walking. So how can I do that? So actually what I have to do is change in this weight. So I'll define another variable, private float IK weight, and the default value would be 0. And in the update, so now I need a reference to character movement. Character movement, because I need to access velocity. What's the best way to do that? I'll define another public variable, character movement. I'll call it character movement. And yeah, I have to make sure that I have a valid reference here, otherwise I would have an error. So let me set the reference like this. Okay, now in the update I'll set IK weight equals math. First I need to take if character movement dot velocity dot magnitude is larger than maybe 0.1. If it is larger than 0.1, I should set IK weight equals, I think it would be better if I make the first I simple, because I don't like to start variables with a capital letter. Let's make it all simple, because we have a underscore anyway. Okay, equals math dot lerp float a is IK weight, and change like this, and B is 1, sorry, 0, and T I'll do time dot delta time. Else I have to do the same. This time IK weight should go to 1. Alright, now let's see what happens. I think it's not quite right. Maybe maybe I'll just put 0 instead of 0.1, and I'll print debug log IK weight so that I can see how it changes. Oh, and also I have to use IK weight here. Instead of 1. Let's get rid of this debug log because I don't need it now. Oh wait, I should correct this local position change as well. That means this one. I should be able to fix it by multiplying this with IK weight, so it will slowly go back to the normal weight. And maybe I should increase the speed of the change with the multiply, but before that let's check again how it looks after using IK weight for the the change is too slow, of course. So I'll add another public parameter. No, I think private would be okay. Private float IK, no, let's just call it lerp speed. I'll use 10 as the default value. That's better. Now let's change this. Instead of using 0, let's try something like 0.1. Oh, alright, this is better, and I'll stop this episode at this point. So I have released project files as of episode 27, so I'll do another release with this episode soon. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. And see you in the next episode. Goodbye.